What do you get when you mix noodles, ice cream, jello, and nuts? You get Falooda.
You can kind of think of it as a Pakistani milkshake, but with a lot more texture. So good, you already know I had to put it in the cookbook. Let's boil our vermicelli noodles and set it aside for now. And in a saucepan, let's add evaporated milk carefully, along with some milk and almonds and pistachios. And just let this simmer.
Now let's soak basil seeds so they plump up like boba pearls.
To assemble, we'll pour roux afza at the sides of our mug, which is basically a concentrated rose syrup, along with some pieces of jello, basil seeds, your noodles, some sweetened condensed milk, your favorite ice cream, or even kulfi, a splash of your milk nut mixture, and just keep repeating the layering process until you're at the top. Lastly, garnish with more almonds and pistachios. It's finally summer, and when it's hot, you need to be drinking Falooda. A lot of textures and flavors going on here. If you're familiar with Filipino cuisine, then it's almost like halo halo or halo halo. It's just a bunch of different textures. You got the jello, you got the noodles, you got the ice cream, the milk, the nuts, the basil seeds. It's almost like boba in a way, where the noodles and the basil seeds get sucked up through the straw. It's a bit of a hassle to eat, but that's also kind of the fun of it.